listen, YouTube. The ManHunt takeover is going nuts right now. Like, I'm gonna show y'all how much kids we got right now. But this shit is finna get lit, and I ain't never seen a bigger ManHunt than this. Come out, wherever you are. This is ManHunt. We hunting down every man. Hey, start the call! Let's go.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed.
Yeah, we need to do that.
It ain't no getting out. All crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. God be with you all.
Go. I'll check this way.
Confirmed.
You with us? Ah, you with us? That's 2. Hey, I got 2. They with us. Hey, look. Y'all go check there. Go, Keon. Go with him. I got 2 already, bro. On to the next. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. That thing is fast.
Kill confirmed.
That's 3. Good job, bro.
Let's get out here.
Hey, is that everybody? I got 4. That's 5.
Hurdled me, bro.
Did y'all get him?
Yeah, we got him.
That's 6. Wait, who was we missing? Oh, she had green? And then who else? Yeah, so now we just find the girl?
Yeah. We should find everybody in the chat. See, like, to text and do.
Yeah, we need to do that next round. Hey, I feel like...
It could be outside.
Huh?
It could be outside. I could have got away from it, but I was like...
I knew you was it because you can only go...
Y'all come down, so me and him ran. I jumped all the stairs. I broke my ankle.
He was moving fast, bro. One girl we're looking for right now, we still haven't found her. Literally looked everywhere, and we still can't find her. She gotta be downstairs.
Hey, listen, so you know how, like, y'all found everybody?
Yeah.
She probably seen us and went back on the stairs.
Bro, she is hard, bro. Like, who found her? She's over there, though.
Yeah, boy.
Bro, what? Oh! Yo, you was hard, bro. What the? Bro, why wouldn't we check over here? I know we spoke to her. That was a good round. That was 9. Hey, this part 2.
It looked like they got.
Hey, boy, y'all ready?
We litty.
I'm ready.
Try hard. Really creepy.
We can't go too far.
They all going in.
No, we'll go to the sign.
What sign?
What's the last sign?
Do you see them? Hey, I feel like something crazy. Oh, I see them. They right here. What are you doing? Hey, we back in the building. God. Oh yeah. You see them? They in the building?
We need to get around time.
probably can't see him. I gotta run for it, bro. Hey, we gotta do it. I gotta stay right there, bro. Hey, we're gonna make a run for it outside, okay? Don't trip on. No, not yet. It's high. We gotta go. We gotta go now. We gotta go now. Go out. Get out. Oh, we hard as fuck. We're hard as fuck. Go. Keep going. Oh, shit. Oh, this nigga fast as fuck. Yo, no. Hey, this nigga fast as fuck.
Hey, right here.
Why this loud bitch gotta bring that shit over here?
Hey man, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of wanted to spice it up, but I slipped. Hey man, me slipping really fucked me up. Bro, right there is elite, bro. Nigga, fuck.
He tried to juke me out and I just tagged him. Yeah.
If I would have never slipped, I would have lost you. If I ain't never slipped.
I told you I was
He not saying nothing. He like, fuck no. What you think? You don't think I would have lost you?
Did he get all you? Zala friend and that other girl.
Yeah, we was in there like over there.
She
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. If we didn't want it,
I had the flashlight looking all through the bushes.
bro, we was so
I thought one
dumb,
of y'all
dog.
ran. I thought one
We
of
didn't
y'all
even really have to run. I just wanted to make it fun.
Yeah.
Nah, everybody act fine.
No, Bill, the little dude in the blue shorts. My friend, Bill, he's still. Bill, he's still.
Bill still hiding?
Y'all know that Bill, the dude in the blue shorts.
You wanna play too? So what is your special ability?
Fighting good.
Okay, man.
I was thinking about it. I was like, damn, that's a good one. That's fun. Let me just hide one.
They gotta be all limit. I wanna hide. They gotta be all limit.
No, we got a seat now. We already got a
I wanna hide.
Let's get it. All right.
The bowling out.
Hey, it's all. Nobody? It's clear.
It's 1 to 7.
Yeah, 1 to 7. We already wiped this whole floor, bro. I'm going to 4. Let's go 4. Come on! All clear here. This is where I'm hiding next time. Make sure you hit that like button. Down below. Subscribe to the channel. Get that bell ring and ding. And comment down below if you want to see. You know something nothing but up here. I'm gonna lie to you. This is what round 3 or 4. We haven't found anybody. So I opened up the portals for all 2. Oh yeah. They got cold. Oh yeah. Yeah, done. There's no way they're gonna get away. There's no way. Excuse me. Yeah, you're done.
That wasn't young.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Trolling y'all. Trolling all y'all.
Oh, no, y'all gonna be Let's go.
Oh, I get what y'all doing? Yo.
That boy down. I told him, one boy not.
Technically, it's heating because that building's closed.
That building. I'm not gonna lie. We got the best, hottest spot in here.
And if they tell us home,
It ain't no getting out. If they come, we're fucked. We fucked.
if we run out, I got it exactly spot.
There's no running. Huh? But this is really a one-man hottest spot. If we get caught, it's because of you. Yeah, look, it's gonna take them so long to find us. Bro, we took this shit to the max. Like, we're behind the game. Like, the arcade games, we're behind it. Like, we good back here. We good back here. Y'all gonna give me call.
Okay, we're finna do it.
Wait, who told y'all I was over here?
Lucky.
Keon?
Yeah.
Bro. Fuck, he saw me.
I'm supposed to be on your team. We're not playing the game. We're not playing the game.
Bro, y'all gonna give me call. Look, just talk to me after the game.
Okay, no, all y'all move. I need to tell you something real quick. So, can I be on the next team? Because I was waiting for you to be high. So, are we meet up at Dunkin'? Like on the
Go, yes, go. I got one of the hardest spots in here, and they came, bro. If I get caught, I'm beating Keon up. And the crowd's down. Like, I'm not getting caught. I haven't won around yet. This is not. Play about this. I don't think they ever gonna find me, so I'm probably gonna just break out. They wasn't ever gonna find me. Yo, Nate, I thought y'all gave up, honestly.
Nah.
I thought y'all gave up. You didn't really even catch me. You can see in the vlog, I said, I think they gave up. I'm finna just come out.
We're
You winning?
easy. I know, I'm winning. It's the last round. It's the last. I'm a higher, bro.
What?
I'm winning, bro. I'm gonna try to win. Let's go. I'm gonna get the go to spot. I'm really run as fast as I can. Run as fast as I can. I need to tell you something. Here, no, I can't tell you anything.
You just gotta tell me?
No, I just, no, because I don't got my phone, so this is like very important.
Alright, bet. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Exactly that. The staff member let the door unlock to that, and I'm gonna just go in it.
Bet. That's a fire hiding spot.
Yeah. If I'm the last person, just go to my hiding spot, okay? Because I don't got my phone.
You hid before.
I'm hiding. No, I came out.
See how these folks gonna hide, like, let's see how this hiding goes. Yo, nobody's finding you.
I don't know where I'm gonna hide yet. It's hard.
They any minute.
Nah, we just go get him the feet.
On the feet. Get on the feet.
Hey, y'all hide with me. Me and him.
This adventure today was very, very exciting, very interesting. Like, man, I love to get like the kids together and, you know, kind of like let them have some fun. Like you, huh? Then you got caught already. The tent is crazy. Hiding in the tent.
Somebody already went up.
We gonna let you know. We got
Bill, you got caught, Bill.
I know, I already found someone.
You found somebody up there?
I got 2 people and a person right here.
Yo, hold on. Y'all can't even see him. Yo, this nigga is up there, huh? What the? Overall, this was great. Y'all make sure I hit that like button. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Get that bell ring a ding ding. Let's get it.
Thank you for watching. Please don't do no stressing. You just remember that too is a blessing. Hey.